not been used in a while, as you can probably tell. So she's a bit damp in there. So left the door open slightly, get a bit more of a draft through. That should pull it through. And she should catch in a minute. I'll get back when it does. I'll have a bit of a soup and some burgers in the wood. And we might have a look and see if there's any bits of potatoes. That was last year that we planted. And we didn't dig them up. We just thought they're not very good. But we're going to have a look. Okay, it's looking a bit better. It should go now. Some dry, well, as best I could find anyway. These are the Christmas trees that we buy in buckets, and then we replant them in the wood. Both looking pretty good. Yep, looks all right. This one, I'm not too sure. I mean, don't look too good. Look, we planted him. It wasn't. I think it was one. Oh, he don't look good, does he? I'll give him a lot of water. I'll chuck some water in here now. I think we've got about 8 we've been planting all together. We also get the family to say, if you're going to get a tree, get one which is potted. Does he look all right? You just don't know, do you? Because when you buy them, they come in a pot, but you don't know if the pot they're in was the original pot they were grown in. I don't think they were, but we'll see how they fare. See how they fare. And then there's 2 more here. That one's looking pretty good, I think. Might be alright. And this one looks lovely. And then let's have a look. We've got we put some hedges in, see if it's growing or coming now. It should be having a bit of leaf on it or something. Trees are coming. Oh yes. Oh baby, look at this. Look at that. We only planted them this year, and yeah, looking good. Oh, just a piece of them. Quick browse. What we got? Oh yeah. Well, so far they're looking pretty good. We've gone all the way along there. We're at the wind. We've gone all the way down. And if you look where we put it, there's sort of the cabin there. So we want to make a bit of a windbreak. And they're looking pretty good. Yep. All got green shoots. And him. Yep. Good. Back in the cabin, we're just going to check that. It looks pretty good. I'm going to chuck a few logs on. Then we're going to look at the fruit trees and see how they're doing. Pop that one up, alright. Right, we'll close the door and we're going to have a look at these fruit trees. Okay. That's got beautiful now. I don't know if you remember we bought these, was it last year? Look at that, they're coming out beautiful. See that? And I said to you it was a bit of a con because they said you could have 4 for 30 quid or something, but you have to take your pick. And in the end I got 2. I was like, I wouldn't agree to that. But anyway, so they're budding, that's all that matters. Yep, and this one. Right, come on. I'm trying to get focus, sorry. There we go, look at that. So we're not too sure what they are. They're apple trees, but we've never seen any fruit on them yet. I think this is, I don't know. Peach or plum. We've got a couple of these. And another one looking good. Oh yeah. And we have got a little orchard that we're trying to establish. Yeah, that's good. I love it. Look at this. Oh yeah, well you can see that one a mile away. And then this one. This is in the last I think, when did we come down last Saturday? I think we came. Is that right? Is it focus? Come on. Well, you can see. Here we go. Anyway, yeah. We're looking pretty good. Oh, I lost the focus then. Right, I'm going to have a look to see if we got any spuds. They're probably gone by now and they're not worth having, but it's fun. We'll have a go. I'll dig one up and then cause I haven't got my tripod, so I'll dig a couple up over that far side and then we'll have a look what we find. Okay, so this soil is really sandy. We did put a load of manure on it and look what we just done. And there's nothing wrong with it, perfect rock hard. What we got? Look at it. This is what they call it, a potato reveal. Oh my God! Look at this. I was not expecting that. Let's have a look, see what else we got. Hold on. Okay, that's from one. Just one bit. I didn't think there'd be any there. I honestly thought they'd just be gone or mush or whatever, but pleasantly surprised. There you go. Brilliant. Okay, back to the cabin. Ooh, now we're cooking on gas, even though it's wood. That's toasty warm. Beautiful. Ooh, needed that. It's a bit cold today. Nice. It feels good, I tell you. So I'll close the vent down and that gives us a nice slower burn time, but we still get plenty of heat. So the logs will last longer, but we're not staying or anything overnight. We just come to air the log coming out, have a cuppa or a cup of soup, see the spuds, which we've done, and we'll make our way back home, but not for a while. We always keep a handy supply of cup of soups, just for the very cool occasions. And today is a cool occasion. There we go. Won't leave one on there because they will get hot. If anybody's interested, these are Euro Hike thermal mugs, and they do keep your soup and your tea or your coffee warm for an extremely long time. There you go, a little bit of inside information for you. Planted a tree for 2003.
Go with the other 800.
Yeah. Ooh, not bad. Sec. Just watered the tree, which is an ash we had. We've got some bluebells coming up. Yep, that'll be nice. And taking that one down, I think, soon. And let's look at this one. Anyway, that's beside the point. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and a like. Hit the subscribe button, which is over there, and the notification bell, and upcoming videos over here. And there'll be a lot more this year once we get a chance to get out. Alright? So, yeah, take care, and we'll see you very, very soon. All the best. This is one of the taters from the wood. Not too sure what it is, but I just tried one. It's really yummy.